You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn together how to pronounce the name of the new UK Prime Minister and leader of the Labour Party since 2020. His first name is more specifically confusing, so let's learn how it's pronounced in Great Britain, in the United Kingdom. Keir. I know it's not Keir or anything. Keir Starmer. That's be the British English pronunciation. In American English, it'd be pronounced as Keir Starmer. More videos. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.